Hi, my name is Sidney, and I'm going to demonstrate solving the Rubik's Cube within 2 minutes. I know several people can solve it within 30 seconds. In fact, the world record is somewhere around 10 to 12 seconds. My goal is just to solve the Rubik's Cube and reasonably within 2 minutes. Anything beyond that is simply an icing on the cake. I'm not looking to break records, but I'm shooting at least to solve it as fast as I can. I don't think I'll ever be an ace on this, and it didn't really matter to me. However, I've solved this thing before within 30 seconds. That's probably one of my fastest times, but that was more than 25 years ago. In fact, some of the fastest solvers weren't even born yet, and those kids can solve it within seconds. Well, anyway, I'm not worried about how fast can everyone else solves it, as long as it is solved. That's the bottom line. So sit down and enjoy some popcorn, but you better eat it fast, because by the time you finish a quart of your popcorn, I'm already done. See? All the colors solved. There you go. Well, y'all have a good one. And I don't know how long does it take. You time it yourself. But I know it's within 2 minutes, because that's about my average time. So, have a good one.